Welcome to a new test and teardown video. This time it's an unnamed product, or an unbranded product at least. There is a name called timing unit, and it's made really beautiful with CNC engraving. So it's really beautiful. It looks a little bit like a function generator or something like that. Maybe I should get the light, I don't know, like that maybe. Function, so we can change or select some different functions: frequency, offset, slope, ramp length, ramp level, pulse level, one shot, and the continuous. And I guess this will be inputs or outputs or some sweep generator, right? So that means, okay, it's gonna generate a ramp for a sweep generator, and there will be a trigger so you can scope something or trigger on something, right? Earth and 25 volts. So how about we just power it up and see if it explodes or whatever. It's not that heavy. Right, let me see. I've been playing a little bit with the different things here, and I believe you can hear this. Let me do it. So there's a click. Let me see. No. There's no way. Okay, so this is... Now it's... Aha! So there's a start and a stop continuous, and you have to click stop, and then you can one-shot it. That is a little bit weird. Let me do... Yeah, continuous again. So this is the trigger pulse, and this is the output. So it's ramping up like that, and that looks a lot like the signal that we got here, right? So let me turn this to the left and see what happens. Haha! You see? And if we get some more sweep time, then we'll be able to see the repeat. And this is the frequency. So what if I turn this frequency dial down a little bit? Yeah, you see? More time. So this is how fast, this is the repeat. And yeah, and if I dial the offset, yeah, okay. So this moves, and okay, great, fantastic, and slope and whatnot. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. See, that was a curve. Let me dial a little bit more on slope. Yeah. All the way down. This is down slower. Yeah. See, definitely you can change the way the curves look. So I really think this was specially designed to sweep another type of generator. So it's an internal product. But it's really funny. There's a relay inside. I think we should open this and see how beautiful it is designed, or is it just something real fast and funky? We don't know. The outside may deceive, but this looks promising. This is absolutely wonderful. So I took off the rear plate so we can look inside, and what do you know? It it looks a lot like an internal test equipment, something like that. It's not done that bad. I've seen a lot worse. We got some parts, and so it started with some good intentions and everything is nice and beautiful. Look how they use some thread to mount the wires real nice and beautiful and all that. And then when it came to the electronics, it was a little bit like, yeah, let's punk around with this until it kind of works. So we got like 3 or 4 transistors and some timing and a little funny thingy. And we got some relays that's doing some timing and repeating and stuff. And this, I don't know what that is. What are they? And some wires, that some nuts on it and some stuff. And is this a piece of wood? I think we should take this out and have a better look, right? But it looks like really, really old components. And the smell is also really, really old. See some details here about the holes. So when they made this case, that they didn't measure the hole distance correctly, so they had to file the holes a little bit so they could get the screws in correctly. That's kind of funny, but the case here is quite sexy. So let's try and get the whole fantastic unit out. So there's a little one shot and a little hand drawing. Isn't that cute? Yeah, that's kind of how it is. Wow. Yeah, I think this is actually quite old, especially when I look at the capacitors. 76, yeah, this is a 61. But it can't be because of the CNC. Really? How's that possible? But all the components here, they're like really, really old kind of style. What's written on those? I don't know. Maybe it's used, they used some components from the Random Lab Shack to create this real fast, right? What exactly is this? So got some wires that's, and okay, those are screw terminals. So that is what it is. It looks definitely like some of the parts here, they come from different sources, right? Oh my goodness. That was a lot of fun to see some funny internal lab equipment that can do funny things. Got some diodes and stuff down there. Anyway, I'm gonna put this funny thing together and and call it end of investigations. I hope you had fun. At least that was a little bit weird. Don't see anything on this transistor though, so it's the secret. Yep, that is it. We don't find any other cool indications on anything. If you know what this is exactly, who made it, where it was to and from and whatnot, you are more than welcome to comment. Look at that beautiful cable. Mounting, holding. Very, very good thing. And some diodes and stuff.